Hey guys, it's me, Engineer Dawood Masih by qualification. I am graduate engineer technologist. In this morning, I'm going to tell you something about internship opportunities. In this summer, as previous year, there's a lots of opportunities open for fresh graduates and for undergraduate students who are studying in their fourth, fifth semester, and I request all of you guys, please do not skip this opportunity. And I want to highlight some internship like Park Electron, Bell Company in Lahore, and Bestway Cement, and also Indus Motor for skilled guys, launch many internship opportunities, and also other corporates launch many internship opportunities for you guys. So please, it's very humble request, do not miss this opportunity. Get in industry through internship. Thanks.